Another thing that helps for not feeling, depressed or angry is to be assertive. Okay? Being assertive means that you can communicate to the person how you feel without blaming them. So one way is for me to say, I'm going to pick on Mukhtar again. Okay? Mukhtar, you don't put in enough effort in the project, right? Or a wife saying to her husband, you don't give me time. Or you can say, look, I don't feel that we are doing enough for this project. I don't feel I have enough attention from you. So this, now you're putting how you are feeling, you're expressing it, and you're not putting the blame, you're not putting a character assassination or a commitment assassination on someone else. You're just communicating how you're feeling. And sometimes just doing that makes you feel better. And then if the person is interested, you can together think about what can be done to make things better. And from an appreciation perspective, the hadith that we have is a believing man, when he's a husband, should not take his wife, should not hate his wife. If he dislikes something from her, there are other things that he likes. So again, being appreciative of what people have, not only looking at things that people don't have, but really asking yourself, what is the good that I'm seeing from that person? Then next thing we have is looking down and looking up. So who do we look up to and who do we look down on? So to be happy, as we were talking about earlier, to not take the things for granted, look at how people are suffering and how little they have compared to what we have. Okay? Now don't do it theoretically. Go look at documentaries. Even better, go spend time with them. So if you go spend time with someone who is sick, spend a few hours, you'll see how challenging their life is. Or spend a few hours with someone who's homeless and see how challenging their life is. You will have a real, true appreciation of what you have. And when it comes to the deen in terms of what you are producing, so you're enjoying all these luxuries, what are you producing? Look at people who are above you.